My name is Kumbirai. I am from Zimbabwe. I studied Diploma of Enrolled Nursing at North Metropolitan TAFE. Perth is a beautiful city. It is a diverse and multicultural city. It has great beaches, beautiful parks. The training path that I'm receiving at North Metropolitan TAFE is well tailored for me, as this will fully equip me to become a competent nurse. I personally have a strong belief and calling to become a nurse, to help and serve humankind, and also to make a difference. North Metropolitan TAFE has exceeded my learning expectation far and beyond reach. It has given me a good solid foundation. I have gained a lot of knowledge and skills. The course has well groomed me in regards to the importance of patient-centered care and holistic nursing. I have had opportunity of a work placement where I consolidated all my clinical knowledge and skills. I'll be pursuing my studies at university. I have already secured a place at Edith Cowan University to commence my Bachelor of Science in Nursing degree. I would highly recommend studying at North Metropolitan TAFE to family and friends because it has well-experienced lecturers who have great knowledge and clinical skills in healthcare. The staff at North Metropolitan TAFE are welcoming, friendly, accommodating, and they have all the patience in the world. From the clinical knowledge and skills obtained from North Metropolitan TAFE, I feel confident that I will be a great and competent enrolled nurse.
Authorised by the Government of Western Australia, Perth.